But the top story on the late night edition, it's a fight to the finish now between the JDU and the BJP. The JDU has set the terms for the BJP, giving out a stern message on the NDA's PM nominee. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar did not name the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, but made it very clear he is not acceptable as a PM candidate. The JDU has set a deadline till the year end of declaring the prime ministerial candidate. Nitish Kumar said the BJP must stay away from contentious issues like Ram Mandir, Uniform Civil Code as well. Nitish Kumar saying that if the BJP changes direction, it would create problems for their alliance. Nitish referred to Atal Bihari Vajpayee's speech on Raj Dharma in politics. He also added that he did not have any illusions of becoming the PM and that they didn't have the numbers for that. The BJP has hit back, saying the JDU must focus on the UPA and not its allies, and also rejected inferences on Modi.
ये देश प्रेम से चलेगा, सद्भाव से चलेगा, गले मिलने से चलेगा। इसमें कभी टोपी भी पहननी पड़ेगी, कभी टीका भी लगाना पड़ेगा।
It cannot get clearer than this. Nitish Kumar, without naming Narendra Modi, making his opposition to the Gujarat Chief Minister apparent. In his valedictory address at the end of the JDU National Council, Kumar minced no words in warning his long-standing ally that he would not think twice before pulling out of the NDA if Modi is projected as PM candidate by the BJP.
बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि सरकार, अरे भाई कुर्सी रहे या जाए उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? जीवन का तो ठिकाना नहीं, कुर्सी का क्या है? कुर्सी तो आने जाने वाली चीज है, लेकिन कुछ बुनियादी उसूल है, उनसे समझौता नहीं हो सकता।
Almost steering into the political and development model of Narendra Modi, carefully built over the last 1 month through a media blitzkrieg, Nitish reiterated he was not in the PM race.
लेकिन हम लोग ये भ्रम नहीं पालते हैं कि इतनी कम ताकत पर हम लोग बन जाएंगे।
But at the same time, JDU categorically spelt out a benchmark for NDA's PM candidate. In the political resolution, party demanded the NDA candidate must be bound by a predefined agenda for governance, should not digress from previously agreed alliance stand on the 3 issues. Secular credentials of the candidate must be beyond doubt. PM nominee must support an inclusive model of political and economic development and be committed towards the needs of backward states. And most importantly, this candidate must be declared by the NDA before the year end.
देश को चलाने के लिए अगर आज हम फिर नाम दें तो अटल जी का सोच चाहिए। सबको साथ लेकर चलते थे, वो हमेशा कहते थे राज धर्म का पालन करो।
By talking about inclusive growth, Nitish reached out to potential post-poll allies, particularly these two, Mamata and Naveen Patnaik. Nitish Kumar has carefully put the ball in the BJP's court, making it amply clear that the onus to keep the alliance intact is on the Saffron Party, and they can do so by keeping Narendra Modi away from the top job. BJP also launched a counter-attack, releasing a statement vetted by its top leaders.
It is unfortunate if they concentrate their energies on our Chief Ministers and dilute the focus of removing the UPA. We reject all unfounded inferences against Sri Narendra Modi.
In New Delhi with Sumit Pandey, Maria Shakil.